Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sierra and I do Halloween hunting and kind of spooky lifestyle stuff over on this channel. So if you like those sort of things, please hit that subscribe button and make sure to like this video so that I know you do like these sort of videos. Also, if you're new, I'm always outside. I just like natural lighting better. We're getting all the summerween vibes with our little purpley kind of shirt and the pool. So I went to Dollar Tree the other day. I had been seeing some things online about new products out and I was like, I'm gonna go to mine. We tend to get Halloween last here a lot of the times, or they at least wait until either after the 4th of July or back to school. So you can imagine my surprise when I went into my store and there was at least 3/4 of a aisle. So I'm gonna show you that footage now, and then like I normally do at the end, I will show you guys my haul and everything I got. And I'm really excited too. The second part of this video, I did go to At Home again for like the millionth time, but they did have some new stuff. So I have some footage from there as well. And then I will also show you the couple items I got from At Home. So see you guys in a min. So the first item that caught my eye was this little metal ghost. I thought it was so cute. I'm half tempted to spray paint it gold and switch out the string. I'm not a big like twine person, but I thought that it was like super cute to hang on the wall. Next I picked up these rub-on transfers. At first I thought they were stickers, and then I realized that you can like put them on actual things like pictures and notebooks and stuff. So this first one is very much like old school like tattoo style. And then this one has more of a retro, almost watercolor vibe to it. So this one's a little different, same kind of tones, but I love the little ghosts on this one. And then the main one that caught my eye that made me buy all three was this one. So this has like the spiders that I was like, I want those spiders on literally everything in my life. And it just has a very dark kind of witchy, mystical kind of vibe to it, and I was just very drawn to it. So all three of these have similar yet different vibes, and I have done in the past where I have exchanged Halloween cards with friends online, so I think that this would be really fun to put on the outside of the envelopes. And yeah, I think they're super cool. This next one felt like a little bit of a random purchase, but I saw it and I was like, I'll get it while it's here. So this is fabric. It's got this really cool charcoal background with the webbing and the spiders on it. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna use this for, but I could do like a little pillow, or I even would take some of it and put it into like a little spooky frame and just put that on the wall as if it were like a photo. I don't know, I think it's cool. I also was really drawn to the bottle brush trees. I'm not always drawn to bottle brush trees, but like in these kind of colors, I was like, yes, please. So this first one is very candy corn-esque. And then I thought this one was cool just because of the gradient. For those who don't know, I do have my own salon space with my best friend Kristen, and in it we keep things mainly white and black and gold. So this is gonna look super cool. I mean, I definitely bring out a lot more colors in Halloween time to the salon, but I think that this will be so cute. I might actually put this out like soon. And then the last few things are for garland, but I think I'm going to use them in like a little arrangement with some fake flowers. This first one is just this really cool trio of almost velvety kind of pumpkins with this little black and orange swirl pattern. And then I had to get the matching one. Like I said, my salon is black and white, so this is gonna go in super cool with everything. So just imagine, well, you don't even have to imagine, I'm about to show you these together. I die. With some black floral. Yes please. And then I also got this. I know it's controversial, but I love candy corn. I love to look at it, I love to eat it, I love the colors together. So naturally, this was a must. Now I don't know if all of these will go together. That's gonna start looking very bulky and chaotic, but I can switch out and kind of like keep it interesting. That wraps up the Dollar Tree stuff. I will be going back in the next few weeks just to see if there's more out, because I have seen some little spoilers in different groups online, and there are other things that are coming, so we'll be sure to get back there at some point. So I did pick up just a few things from at home, so let me go grab those and show those to you as well. Nasty bugs. Okay, so keeping in line with the wreath picks, I got this little cute ghost. I don't know. I thought it was so cute. I love his little happy face. And I think maybe with one set of the pumpkins and then like a black floral, this could be a nice little pop, and I think it'd be so cute. So he was $1.99, so I said yes, add to bag. Now, I mentioned in one of my other videos that I do a Halloween tree. Most of the decorating that you guys will see this year will be at my salon because I'm there more often than I am at home. So I like to display all my things there so I can be surrounded with it all the time. So don't be offended if you only see salon stuff this year. I got these for the Halloween tree. These little jack-o'-lantern ornaments. What got me were the little tiny ones have faces too. These retailed for $8 and has 20 pieces and it's shatterproof, which is good. I don't always have a theme for my tree. I just kind of go with whatever I think it should be. But since I have the jack-o'-lanterns and the ghost ornaments from Cracker Barrel, I don't know, I gotta really think through this one because those are all bold ornaments. And then the final thing that I got is this snake venom. It's giving me Harry Potter vibes. I love it. The black and the gold, and I love that this is like a cloudy lid instead of just black or gold. I don't know. I think that kind of ties everything together. Not the snake, but the lid. I just feel like this would have you speaking parcel tongue in no time. Alright guys, that is it from me today. I am going to keep on with the Halloween hunting videos, but I am going to sprinkle some other videos in here and there. I have some ideas coming up so that it's not only this type of video, but we get a little nice mixture of things. I do post every Friday, so I will see you next Friday. I'm kidding. Bye guys.